So Wynn has the waterfall, which is their main attraction as you enter. So let's go inside, and you can already see the slots. So in the middle is the casino area. And then this is, oh, okay, so this is their sports book. All right. So this is their sports book.
Probably not.
Okay, right here. So they have a bar, and you can see that is a very nice sports book here at Wynn. And so this area are the table games on the right. So the casino is on the right. And there are still a lot of shops on the left. All right. And then these are the resort elevators right here. Resort elevators. And then this is their cashier. If you have one with your slots or table games, so that's where you would redeem or exchange your chips. We have a bar here. Bar. So you can see that the table games are close to the walking pathways, and the slots are in the middle. So it looks like these are high limit. High limit. Okay. Oh, there's a bar here again. There's a lot of bars here inside a Wynn. And then let's go in here. So this is a Red 8 restaurant. And now you can see the slots to my right. All right. Let me see. Ah, okay. And then this one. Okay, this looks like a high limit slots. So this looks like a high limit slots. Yeah, this looks like high limit slots. So let's go. Wow, it has a nice middle decor right here. Yeah, these are high limit slots. Like for example, this one, this is $10. Oh, look at this one, $200. Okie dokie. All right. But they also have the 10 cents, $5. And then it looks like they have somebody there to help you out if you need cash. So now let's explore the casino floor. Let's go. Let's go check out the casino floor right here. Let's go cross this path right here. So they have an ATM redemption change in this area right here. Okay. So and then there's a walking pathway in the middle. So this is the one that leads to the buffet. Okay, okay. And you could see all the table games on both sides. But you can see how open it is. How open it is here at Wynn Las Vegas. You know what? Let me go around here. Ah, okay. Looks like somebody wants something over there. Alright. Okay. And it looks like the bar. Okay, the bar that is connected to the sports book is called Charlie's. So there you go. So Charlie's. So this was where we were at earlier. So you know what? Let's just go around. All right. So that is the Overlook Lounge. So let's go around here. And then that is the garden. So, yep. So you can see that there's a lot of slots here. The ticket redemption ATM change.